Disclaimer: before you take any healthy fruits and vegetables, be sure to ask your doctor, do your own research, get your doctor's permission, and then take it. This channel is for providing only information regarding fruits and vegetables. So your doctor knows the best what's your body is and what you need, what you don't, so you get your doctor's permission. And this channel is not responsible for any good thing or bad thing coming out of eating any fruits and vegetables. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to talk about coriander. So coriander is a herb, spices. It's being used extensively in India, but this herb is just the amazing herb. This is the greatest creation of God, or the nature, or the divine. This herb is full of nutrition, and its nutrition values and its healing powers just out of this world. So I decided to discuss a little bit about it. Now we roast this herb a little bit and select seed, and then we crush it, grind it, and then put it in all our curries, cooked vegetables, about half a teaspoon. And there's another way to take it, which people take the seeds and soak it in a tall glass of hot water overnight. They put 1 teaspoon of seed and fill it up with a tall glass of hot water because you want it to soak. And then next day they drink that water. Now if you want to drink that water, you can warm it up. The water is cold overnight, or you can just drink it like that. So now it has so many benefits that, so first of all, it is a super cooling drink. When you make it like that, even though you warm it up, but when it goes inside your body, it cools your body. Your stomach is great for healing the gut, healing the stomach problem. So, and it detoxifies the liver and the kidneys, and it also gets rid of all the water. So it's great for people who has water retention. Thus it reduces the puffiness of the body and the face, and it's good for arthritis pain because a lot of people have gout. It's good for that, and it great for boosting the immunity, and it's full of antioxidants and boost immunity, since it can fight the free radicals, damaging free radicals. Now, a strong immune system is needed to fight off the seasonal cold and flus or any diseases, and coriander seed water actually gives you that. It aids in digestion and weight loss. It's really great to take in the morning, a glass of warm coriander water. You can squeeze some lemon if you wish, and take a teaspoon of pure honey if you wish, or you can just drink it up just like that, straight up. And so this water has a lot of benefit. First of all, healing power of your digestive system, reduce puffiness and swelling, and it's great for your gut, great for your immune system, and it's a benefit to increase your metabolism, make you lose weight. And when you grow the coriander leaves from the seeds, they have a special fragrance, and they also can be chopped up and added to every cooked food. On top of it, you serve the cooked food on the table. Clean, washed, chopped, few freshly picked coriander leaves, and garnish it, and they're good to eat like that, or you can make water from the seeds daily. Now, Be sure to ask your doctor about this because these natural remedies are extremely potent, and this does lower your blood sugar and blood pressure. It normalizes the blood sugar. But people who are taking medication, they must ask their doctor if they can take it. And it fights infections and promotes healing. Is great for the heart, great for the brain, great for the people with Alzheimer and Parkinson's because it fights infections, and it promotes healing. So it's great for skin, digestive system, and you can just easily soak the seeds and drink the water, or eat the leaves. And we make coriander leaf chutney, which is really amazing because from the fresh green leaves. Coriander seeds are good to maintain a good stomach gut health. It gives you relief from anemia. It's loaded with iron, so it's really good, and it regulates the hormone and endocrine glands, and so thus regulating the periods, and it regulates blood sugar, blood cholesterol, raises the good one, lowers the bad one, and controls the blood pressure. Is good for the eyes, good for eye health. It improves the bone and bone density, so good for bone health, and it's great for digestive system, great for our skin, great for our hair, stops the hair loss and promotes hair growth, and it reduces the skin inflammation, and it treats diarrhea. It reduces blood sugar and regulates blood pressure, prevents anemia, and it's been used years as preventive measures, as uses antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial agent during seasonal changes, colds and things, and it reduces cholesterol level. It cures any skin problems, and it's good for oral hygiene. It's good for people who has bad breath, they can chew on it. It's good for mouth ulcer, stomach ulcer, and it's anti-allergenic. Like a lot of people have allergies during allergy season, they sneeze whole day. By drinking this, they could get relief from the allergies. It's good for bone. It promotes healthy skin. It helps with diabetes, the sugar down and up, and it's great for hair. Gives long shiny hair, stops the hair fall. Amazing for our digestive system, great for our cholesterol, keeps the good cholesterol up and the bad down, and it's good for cold and cold related issues, and it's good for menstrual cramp and period related issues. It normalizes the period. Now, how to prepare it? You just take 1 teaspoon of coriander seed called dhania and pour it in a tall, warm or hot glass of water, and just cover it and let it soak whole night, and morning you can drink it just like that, or you can warm it up, and you can add some lemon juice if you want. You can add a teaspoon of pure honey if you want. Otherwise, just drink it up. But do ask your doctor before you do all this, because everyone has different issues. So it's best to ask and get a permission before you do that. But this thing is really potent and it's really good because it controls the blood sugar and blood pressure, and it does the insulin production, and it is neuroprotective, so neurodegenerative diseases protects, and it does cancer prevention, lowers cholesterol, and has a lot of vitamin C, so good for the cold and cold related issues, lowers blood sugar and reduces oxidative stress. It stimulates the secretion of insulin from the pancreas, and it helps to prevent the disease of the nervous system, Parkinson's, Alzheimer, all that, and gets rid of toxins from the colon and prevents the body from getting colon cancer or any kind of cancers because it's anti-cancerous. It lower cholesterol, and it has high fiber content which lowers the LDL cholesterol, increases the HDL, loads of vitamin C, high level of vitamin C, which is known to tackle the seasonal changes and issues and allergies because it's really full of antioxidant. So it has so many benefits, it's just never ending. I can go on and on. Little seeds so full of vitamin and nutrition dense. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you with many more. Thank you so much. Bye bye.